Did you do it? Huh? Are you the guilty one? Yeah, I know. Don't get it. No, Winkies don't count as talking.
What? Are you cute? Are you a pretty girl? Are you pretty? What? What?
Hermione.
What? What's wrong? Are you tired? Are you hungry? What? Honey? What? What's the matter? Look. Meow. Are you a squirrel? What are you? What? What's wrong? Say hi. Are you pretty? Cutie pie? Are you so cute?
Fa, you living the tough life? Hmm? You're roughing it here, aren't you? Huh? You got a tough life. You're hating this, huh? I'm sorry you have to go through all this. Hmm? It's a tough life. Don't worry. You'll work hard and persevere, and all this will be behind you one day.
Mango, you looking? Yeah. Are you looking forward to Catter Day? Really? What are you gonna do? You gonna play with friends? Really? You gonna go on the play set? Good, good, good. Hey, you got to be careful going down the slide. Remember last time? You hurt your backside? Oh, yeah. Kind of a sore spot. Oh, well, yeah, we'll give it a try. All right. We'll talk to you later, okay? Text me. Right? Email?
Ne var? Ha?
Konuşa mı yiyor? Neredesiniz şimdiye kadar diyor.
Ne?
Açlıktan ölüyordum diyor.
Ha? Güzel mi?
Yedikçe konuşuyorum ya. Gel. Dur acele etme, su içersen o da şöyle dursun. Önce yemeğini ye.
Bonus video. Don't forget to subscribe. Meow meow and bow wow.
It's okay. Looking sexy. It's okay. Looking sexy. It's okay. Looking sexy already. It's okay. Looking sexy. It's okay. Looking sexy. Yeah. And look at the picture that's the picture.
Thank you for watching. If you like this video, don't forget to subscribe for more. Meow meow and bow wow.